Welcome to topic 16, the future of operations and supply chain management. So this is the introduction. So we're talking about the future. So pretty much almost anything goes in this topic. So let's look at our quote that we always have for our topics. I am tomorrow or some future day. What I established today, I am today what I established yesterday or some previous day. So this was Harvey Spencer Lewis. So what does this mean to you? So when I look at this, you're looking at yourself in the future based on what you're doing today. What are you doing to make yourself better for the future? When you're in the future, which he's saying, I am today what I established yesterday. So I am what I am today because of what I did in the past or some previous day. So that might be a little bit of a head trip for some of you because you're talking about yourself in the present and the future and looking at the past, and it could be a little confusing. But what you do now is going to affect what you do in the future. Whether it is you study hard, get good grades, you get on the president's list or the dean's list, or you do just barely enough to pass your classes, but you still get the degree. Or maybe you stop going to classes and you don't get your degree. Well, what you do is what will affect you tomorrow. And when you look back, you're going to see, well, that's where I could have done something different to make myself better today. So one of the big things that you can do is look at the McKinsey Global Institute report. Say they look at the workforce in general. So in 2017, the big thing they found was job displacement. But they also noticed some big takeaways such as new skills. Well, as you can see the cover on the screen here, jobs lost, jobs gained, workforce transitions in a time of automation. So if everything's going to robots, we need to adjust our skills. That doesn't mean you need to go and learn programming or become an engineer. That just means you need to start thinking differently about your future. You need to get those new skills. And those new skills are only gained through learning. You learn something and then you do it over and over and over again. So are you ready to be a lifelong learner? You're going to be learning throughout your life, but are you actively going out to learn something new? Or are you just going along for the ride? It's up to you on how you take yourself in life. So let's look more at the foundations, because we need to know where we were to where we can go. So let's check that out in the next video.